Trojan Label T2C is the first ever high-volume tabletop label press capable of precise, consistent 24/7 production. The T2C encompasses large economical ink tanks and label roll capacities of traditional large production presses into a footprint small enough to fit into any size print workspace. With the ability to produce professional quality labels in any size print run, the T2C's modular and intuitive design allows for print quality and speed of printers many times its size. Print vivid imagery on continuous or die-cut label materials, as well as flexible packaging materials with a variety of barrier options. Produce up to 8 separate printed output rolls from a single input roll with the use of the T2C's built-in slitters, saving you valuable time with no downtime in between rolls. The T2C's user-friendly Trojan control interface makes maintenance and customization easy. Change the rewinder position with a few taps on the screen, or calculate the total cost per label for any size print job. The internal job library keeps track of all your images and allows you to queue up multiple prints. Remote tech support makes solving problems with the T2C a cinch. A tech support professional can gain access to your printer remotely and diagnose any problems you may encounter. The T2C is a reliable, flexible printing solution designed to give owners and users total peace of mind. If you'd like to learn more about how the T2C can be your solution, visit trojanlabel.com